to San Francisco International Airport. Local time here is 8:57 a.m. We do hope, and today's date is, May the 4th. We hope you enjoy your time here in the San Francisco Bay Area or wherever your travels take you, and if this is home for you, welcome home. Please stay comfortably seated until we arrive at the gate, and the captain does turn the seatbelt sign off. You may use your phones and tablets at this time. If you get in an exit row, please don't plug anything into the outlets at this time. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and seating area. Make sure you have all of those personal belongings, and be careful when opening overhead compartments as contents may have moved around during our flight. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the door areas, allowing our flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Once we do arrive at the gate, we'll be handing you off to our airport team, and they'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Additionally, some of you will receive an email survey asking you about your experience with us. We'd love to get your feedback on your flight with us today. We'll be arriving at San Francisco International Airport's International Terminal, Concourse G. Since this is your first stop in the United States, everyone needs to claim any checked bags and go through customs. So we'll arrive at the gate, you'll go through immigration, proceed to the baggage claim to pick up any of your checked bags, and then proceed to the customs area. If you're connecting to another flight, you'll have to recheck your bags in the baggage recheck area just past the exits, and then proceed over to Terminal 3 to re-enter the secure area of the airport through the security checkpoint for those connecting flights. On behalf of the entire United team, our Star Alliance partners, and especially your San Francisco-based crew, we want to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It's been our pleasure serving you, and we do look forward to seeing you again very soon on another United flight. It also does look like our gate has been updated again. The